Imagine a world where artificial intelligence not only comprehends your content needs but also assists you in crafting and refining it. Welcome to the next level of content creation. Welcome to the realm of Chatgpt-4 plugins, Speedy marketing and your AI counsel. Hello friends of PromptlyAI. Today, we're going to elevate your content game. We're exploring the dynamic duo of Chatgpt plugins, Speedy marketing and your AI counsel. These tools are transforming how we create and refine content. Let's begin by understanding what these plugins are all about. Speedy marketing is your ally for generating SEO-friendly blog posts and social media content. It takes your website URL and transforms it into engaging content that can boost your visibility. On the other side, your AI counsel is like having a panel of advisors at your disposal. It evaluates your questions from 5 different perspectives, providing diversified opinions. It's like having a brainstorming team ready to go, 24/7. For additional insights into the Speedy Marketing plugin, check out our previous video, Chatgpt Speedy Marketing plugin, 3 features you need. You can find the link in the card to the right. Now, you might be curious, how can these plugins work together? Let's dive into some practical examples. As you can see here, I have asked the Your AI Counsel plugin to assume personas relating to new users of Twitter. I then asked it to generate 2 to 3 pain points from each point of view that each specific end user may encounter while trying to use Twitter and/or grow an audience or following on the platform. The Your AI Counsel plugin generated 5 personas. Examples include user, social media expert, Twitter support, influencer, and marketing perspectives, and gave me 2 possible pain points for each from the context I provided. Next step, I asked the Speedy Marketing plugin to use the pain point information provided by the Your AI Counsel plugin above, to generate 3 possible Twitter post ideas that speak to the insights from the social media expert point of view and the marketing point of view. Step 3, I asked the Speedy Marketing plugin to write a Twitter thread with 5 to 10 steps that provide suggestions for title number 3, Stand Out on Twitter, Strategies for Organic Growth and Effective Content Marketing, which it completed nicely. Last step, I asked the Speedy Marketing plugin to provide 5 short-tail and 5 long-tail SEO keywords that might work for this thread to promote it. Also, to provide a brief explanation as to what each of those types of keywords are. Now let's move on to our blog post example. You will see that the general workflow follows the first video example, but this time I asked it to use the context of new users to Chatgpt. And instead of generating a Twitter thread, I asked that it generate a blog post followed by 5 examples of short-tail and long-tail SEO keywords. I chose the context for these first 2 examples based on posts and/or videos I have seen mentioning a fair amount of questions about how to grow on Twitter, how to go about constructing a Twitter thread, how to use Chatgpt on its own, how to use Chatgpt plugins, and concerns about the lack of explanation as to how to install plugins, and what to use them for. The PromptlyAI YouTube channel has several videos about how to use Chatgpt plugins in real-world use cases and how to install and activate them. For our last example in today's episode, I wanted to showcase the Your AI Counsel plugin's ability to give insights and suggestions on the content that we just created in the first 2 video examples. I copy and pasted the Twitter thread we just created and the blog post that we just finished and asked the Your AI Counsel plugin to assume new user personas and to provide suggestions from the context of whether the thread and blog might solve an end user pain point or not. And if not, what should be changed in each. Like in the first 2 videos, the Your AI Counsel takes on the personas and provides suggestions and feedback for the Twitter thread and blog posts. I didn't show it in this video, but next steps from this point could have been to have the Speedy Marketing plugin reference some of the specific suggestions and revise the text from the thread or blog. Or, given that some of the suggestions were to add visuals or statistics analysis, those could be pulled from other online tools and added into the text provided to supplement the content. As you can see, these plugins aren't just powerful on their own. When used together, they can truly elevate your content creation and refinement process. But don't just take my word for it. Try these plugins for yourself. Experiment with them. See how they can enhance your content game. And with that, we've reached the end of another artificial intelligence adventure. If you are ready to join us on the journey to the next frontier of content creation, make sure to hit that like button, share the knowledge, and subscribe to PromptlyAI. Together, we are not just observing the future, we're creating it, one AI-powered piece of content at a time. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep leveling up.